Welcome back to Learn to Speak Chinese. I'm so excited to have you here today. We have 10 super practical and versatile words from the HSK 4 Standard Course Lesson 9. These words will really boost your Chinese skills and make your conversations so much more fun and lively. Let's get started. Nandal. Alright, our first word is Nandal, which is used to emphasize rhetorical questions. It's great for situations where you want to challenge an idea or express disbelief. Here's how it works. Nandal is placed at the start of a sentence, followed by a question. This question isn't really asking for an answer, it's more like making a point. Example. 难道你真的打算辞职吗? Are you really planning to quit your job? See how it sets up a rhetorical question? Just remember, Nandal is only used for rhetorical questions, so don't use it in regular, factual ones. Ying. Next, we have Ying, which means to win. This verb is all about achieving success, whether it's a competition, an argument, or even someone's respect. How to use it. Use Ying directly with the thing you're winning. You can also pair it with de, like Ying de, to emphasize the result. Example. 这次比赛我们赢了. We won this competition. Or, 他赢得了所有人的尊重. He won everyone's respect. Pro tip. Make sure to specify what you're winning, like a game, a prize, or even an argument, so your sentence feels complete. 随便. Now let's talk about 随便. This word means casual or anything goes. It's perfect for showing flexibility. Grammar in action. Use it as an adverb, 随便说, say casually. Use it in sentences to express indifference or flexibility. Examples. 去哪儿吃都可以，我随便. Anywhere is fine, I'm easy. 老板说，我们可以随便提出建议. The boss said we can casually put forward suggestions. Just a tip. While 随便 is great for informal settings, avoid using it in formal or serious situations. It might come across as disrespectful. 汗. Our next word is 汗, which means sweat. It's often used with verbs to describe physical or emotional states. How to use it. Combine 汗 with verbs like 出, to emit, or 冒, to break into. Use it literally or metaphorically. Example. 为了赶报告，我忙得直出汗. I was sweating from working hard to finish the report. Another. 一听到这个消息，他就冒汗了. As soon as he heard the news, he broke into a sweat. Remember, pay attention to the verbs you pair with 汗 to keep your sentences clear and natural. 通过. Moving on, 通过 means through or by means of. It's used to show how something is achieved or done. Grammar notes. 通过 plus noun indicates the method, 通过努力 through effort. 通过 plus clause explains the approach or process. Example. 通过练习，我的发音提高了. Through practice, my pronunciation improved. 当时. 当时 is your go-to word for saying at that time. It's great for setting the scene when talking about the past. How to use it. Place 当时 at the start of a clause. Use it to describe what was happening during a specific moment. Example. 当时我们正在开会. At that time, we were in a meeting. Key tip. Since 当时 refers to the past, don't use it to talk about future events. 理想. 理想 can mean ideal or dream, depending on the context. Grammar in action. As a noun, refers to aspirations or goals. As an adjective, describes something as perfect. Example. 实现理想需要努力. Achieving your dreams requires effort. Or. 这个地方是理想的举办场所. This place is an ideal venue. Just remember, when you use 理想 as a noun, it's often about personal aspirations. As an adjective, it's about describing perfection. 结果. 结果 means result or outcome. It's great for talking about conclusions. Grammar notes. As a noun, refers to the outcome of an event. As a conjunction, introduces a result, often unexpected. Example. 我们讨论了很久， 结果决定取消计划. We discussed for a long time, and the result was that we decided to cancel the plan. Remember, when using 结果 as a conjunction, it's often about introducing something surprising or unintended. 至少means at least. It's used to set minimum expectations or soften statements. How to use it. Place 至少 before numbers or conditions. Use it to emphasize a baseline or minimum standard. Example. 你至少应该告诉我一声. You should have at least informed me. Just a note, be careful not to overuse 至少, as it might come across as overly critical in certain contexts. 经历. Finally, we have 经历, which means experience. This word is all about describing what someone has gone through. Grammar in action. As a noun, refers to life events or work experiences. As a verb, focuses on the process of experiencing something. Example. 他的经历非常丰富. His experiences are very diverse. Or, 他经历了很多困难. She has gone through many difficulties. Key tip, don't confuse 经历, process of experiencing, with 经验, which refers to practical knowledge or skills gained from experience. And that's it. 10 practical and versatile words that will make your Chinese more accurate and natural. Which word do you feel most confident using? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on Learn to Speak Chinese. See you next time.